Hi guys, happy Monday. Miss Pascal here for another read aloud. I hope that you guys had a wonderful weekend. I hope you spent a lot of time outside on Friday or Saturday, and maybe spent some time inside with your family yesterday since it was raining. Today and this week, I am going to be reading some books about the plant life cycle. I'm going to be reading some books about the frog life cycle. And on Wednesday, I have one of my all-time favorite books. So you'll have to tune in on Wednesday to figure out what that one is. Today, I'm going to be reading a book to you guys called Green and Growing. It's a book about plants. And it is written by Susan Blackaby and illustrated by Charlene DeLage. All kinds of plants. How is a maple tree like a daffodil? How is a blade of grass like a rose bush? All of these are living things. All of these are living things called plants. A plant can be a tree or a shrub. A plant can be a flower or a trailing vine. No matter what they look like or where they live, all green, growing things are alike in some ways. How plants are alike. Green plants make their own food to grow healthy and strong. They use their roots to soak up water. They use their green parts to soak up air and sunlight. They use the air, water, and sunlight to make the food they need. Plants cannot move from place to place the way animals do. Their roots keep them rooted to one spot. Animals, wind, and water carry plant seeds to new places where they can grow. Plants do not have senses, but they react to light. They grow upward toward the sunlight. They grow around things that might get in their way. Daisy means day's eve. The daisy's flower opens in the morning. The flower head turns as it follows the sun across the sky. It closes at sunset. How plants are different. Many plants, like poppies and peach trees, have roots, stems, and leaves. They have flowers and seeds too. The seeds can be inside of pods or fruit. Some plants, like firs and pines and cedars, have needles instead of leaves. They have seed cones instead of fruit. Some plants, like grasses, do not have real stems. Plants can come in all sizes, shapes, and colors. The smallest plant on earth is duckweed. Duckweed is not much bigger than the period at the end of this sentence. The biggest plant on earth is the giant redwood. A very old redwood can be as tall as a 20-story skyscraper. Plants can grow in every which way. Some plants creep along the ground. Some plants grow tall and straight. Some plants climb walls or cliffs. Plants can grow almost anywhere. Cactus plants find and store water in the hot, dry desert. Pine trees grow tall on windy, snowy mountain slopes. Cattails and reeds like boggy, soggy ground. And lily of the valley grows best in cool, dark places. How you use plants. Think about how you use plants every day. Plants give off oxygen when they make their food. You breathe the oxygen in the air. You eat plant parts too. Your body uses the energy that was stored in the plants. So this says, what plant parts do you eat? Can you think of any? You eat the roots of carrots and radishes. You eat the stems of rhubarb and potato. You eat the leaves of lettuce and spinach. You eat the fruits of bananas, oranges, tomatoes, cucumber. You eat the seeds of rice, corn, and peanuts. And you eat the flowers of Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cauliflower. It takes a lot of plants to make one bag lunch. Your shirt, pants, socks, and sneakers come from a cotton plant. The tree used to make the table grew from a seed no bigger than your thumb. Parts of a tree were even used to make the bag. So all of these different things go into making a sack lunch. People depend on a world of sprouting seeds, blooming bushes, and towering trees. Think of all the amazing plants that grow in our garden called Earth. The end. So this book is going to start off this week because on Wednesday we are celebrating a big holiday called Earth Day. So hopefully this kind of got you in the mindset of thinking about all of the beautiful things that Earth gives us. So today's challenge is going along with our Earth Week challenges, and that's going to start today. So my challenge for you guys today is to go outside in your backyard or your front yard, and I want you to write down all of the plants that you find. So take some time, maybe go sit outside and just look around you and see all of the amazing plants that you might find in your own backyard. I am going to be back here tomorrow with our read aloud, so tune back in to read our next book on plant life cycles, and on Wednesday for one of Miss Pascal's favorite books to read. I will see you guys then. All right, bye.